How to take a screenshot or screen capture on Infinix Smart 9. In this video I will show you the 3 ways how to take a screenshot on Infinix Smart 9. So in the first step you can using this button, the power button and volume down, you can press it together like this to take a screenshot. And the step 2, you can using this control panel option to take a screenshot. You can tap on this option, the 3 dot, you can tap on it to open this screenshot feature. You can see in this icon like this, you can tap plus like this and tap on it. And now if you want to take a screenshot from the option I want to screenshot on this area, you can using this control panel to take a screenshot like this. And the step 3, you can using this option to take a screenshot like this. You can tap on the screenshot. And if you want to enable this button, you can go to the setting menu and then you can tap on special function and tap on the accessibility and scroll up and you can select on the accessibility menu and you can enable this feature here. The first way, you can tap on it and you can tap on allow and tap on got it, and you can tap on here to setting this location of the button, because on the usually the option is like this. You can change on location to navigation bar and this button will appear here. Okay guys, so there are the 3 ways to take a screenshot on Infinix Smart 9. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.